Alright, how's it going, everybody? We'll change plans today. Weather is not the greatest, but we're going to take the old rocket ship here in town to get some supplies. Should be a good time. We're gonna do some fancy stuff today. I just got done building my welding cart so that because I don't have a place to put the bottles, so I was like, well, I'll just put them in there, and it works. So we're gonna do this. This is what we're gonna work on. We're gonna try and fill these holes in. Probably start with easier stuff over here and just try and weld these holes in. And then whatever I can't fix with just welding them up, I have obviously this whole entire piece that I can throw in wherever needs be. So that's what we're going to do today. Should be a great time. If you want to see more of this, thumbs up, obviously. And go ahead and subscribe, and then let me know down in the comments, because I'm probably going to have a lot of welding work to do. And yeah, body's still rough. I don't like doing that. It's time consuming and it's messy. And this is something I enjoy. I enjoy welding and just that whole process. So yeah, I guess we should get to work. Stop talking about it, start being about it. There we go. Got this all fixed up, looks good. Maybe a little hole there, I don't know, it's probably okay. Now time to do the cutouts. See what we can get done there. Should be great. Yeah, having a blast. Alright, we got one section and it was just being a pain, so I just welded that section in. I got this piece. It fits in there pretty decent, so I'm going to start welding that one in now. And then we'll be all done with this side. Alright, yeah, I got it in there. Yeah, I don't know. Looks good. Haven't sanded it or ground it down or anything like that. But, yeah, that's that. Got it all in there. It's still hot. I just finished up. But, yeah, from, let's see, where did it go? This. With its holes and whatnot. That's even like the good right there. To that. We're moving right along on that. I think I'm going to cut this video short here. If you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. And we'll catch you on the other side. Peace.